Hi guys! Today we're going out. I'm with my sister and we're gonna go to a memorial park, to a graveyard. We are visiting our mom because it's her 5th-year death anniversary. Ate, say hi!
Hi, hello.
She's my ate. So before we're going there guys, we're gonna go to a flower shop first and we're gonna buy flowers for our mom. So see you! Ito 150.
Yes po.
Hindi na lang 100. Dalawa kunin ko.
250 na lang po.
Na?
We are here now to a flower shop and we're gonna buy flower for our
Yan, dalawa na yan,
mom.
ma'am.
And after this, we're going to the graveyard.
Parehas naman siya. Ito, may ito pa kayo. Hindi, ano kasi siya. Malambot yung panong bulaklak.
Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Memorial Park and we're seeing our mom now. There is my sister arranging the flowers for mom. Hello, ate.
Hi, happy 5th anniversary, death anniversary, mama.
Yes, mom. Happy 5th year death anniversary, mama. We miss you. And there is our mom. Hi, Ma. We miss you so much. Siya po yung nanay namin. Ganda-ganda. There she is.
We're still here in the Memorial Park. Biglang umambon, kaya nakisilong muna kami. We're going home now guys. Maulan na kasi, baka biglang lumakas ang ulan. So, see you next time. Bye!
Bye!